Hello and welcome you class 10th. As you all know that we are doing algebraic method to solve pair of linear equations in two variable. Substitution and elimination method have already been covered in the last video. So today we will be doing cross multiplication method. Let's say I take two pairs of linear equation which are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now watch and listen very carefully students. We will be doing three steps to find the value of x and y. Now see our linear equation in two variable and arrow which I have made to understand the multiplication easily. So in the first step we will multiply from upward to downward while hiding x variable completely. So x upon b1c2 minus b2c1, and now this is equal to y where we multiply downward to upward always by hiding variable y from both the linear equations. So we get y upon a2c1 minus a1c2, and now this is equal to 1 upon, again we will multiply upward to downward while hiding constant term. So we get 1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1, and now students we will equate x upon b1c2 minus b2c1 equal to 1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1. So we get x equal to b1c2 minus b2c1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1. And similarly student, we will equate y upon a2c1 minus a1c2 equal to 1 upon a1b2 minus a2b1. So from here y equal to a2c1 minus a1c2 upon a1b2 minus a2b1. Now we'll do one question which is to solve the following linear equation in two variable by cross multiplication method, and our linear equations are x plus y equal to 7 and 5x plus 12y equal to 7. So first step is always write the given linear equation in form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So shift 7 from RHS to LHS. So therefore our linear equation are x plus y minus 7 equal to 0 and 5x plus 12y minus 7 equal to 0. Now we will apply cross multiplication method. As I have told you that our first step is to multiply upward to downward by hiding variable x from both the equations. We get x upon, what is the coefficient of y? 1. 1 into minus 7, then minus, and student always apply bracket after minus. So minus of 12 into minus 7, and this is equal to y upon, now we will multiply downward to upward. So by hiding y variable, so we get y upon 5 into minus 7 and minus again bracket 1 into minus 7, and this is equal to 1 upon, now hiding the constant term completely, and here we will multiply from upward to downward. So we get 1 into 12 minus again bracket 5 into 1. So on solving it, student, we get x upon minus 7 plus minus into minus is plus. So 12 into 7, 84 equal to y upon 5 into minus 7 minus 35, and again minus into minus plus 7, which is equal to 1 upon 12 minus 5. So on solving it, we get x upon 77, y upon minus 28, 1 upon 7. Now we will equate x upon 77 with 1 upon 7 and y upon minus 28 with 1 upon 7. So on solving it, we get x equal to 11 and y equal to minus of 4. Now our second question for today is we have to solve the following linear equation in two variable by cross multiplication method. So our linear equations are x plus y equal to a minus b and ax minus by equal to a square plus b square. So first we will write this pair of linear equation in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So therefore we can write this as x plus y minus of a minus b equal to 0 and ax minus by minus of a square plus b square equal to 0. Now in this question, student, see the sign very carefully. Now here we will multiply upward to downwards while hiding x variable. So we get x upon, what's the coefficient of y? 1 into minus of a square plus b square. So we get minus of a square plus b square, then minus, and again we will put bracket, then minus into minus plus, so ab plus ab, and minus into minus, student, which is plus b. So plus b into minus b, that is minus b square, and this is equal to y upon, now here we will multiply downward to upward. So by hiding y variable at the same time, so we get a into minus of a minus b. From here we get minus a square and plus ab, then put minus and again bracket, we will multiply 1 into minus a square plus b square. So minus a square minus b square, and this is equal to 1 upon, what is the coefficient of x, which is 1. So 1 into minus b, and minus coefficient of y 1 into a, so minus b minus a. Now on solving it, we get x upon minus a square minus b square minus ab plus b square equal to y upon minus a square plus ab minus into minus plus a square and plus b square, which is equal to 1 upon minus b minus a. So on solving it, minus b square plus b square will cancel out, and we get x upon minus a square minus ab, which is equal to y upon ab plus b square, which is equal to 1 upon minus b minus a. So when we equate x upon minus a square minus ab equal to 1 upon minus b minus a, so we will cross multiply. So when we take a common, from the numerator we get a plus b in the bracket, and in denominator when we take negative as common, again we get a plus b. So a plus b will cancel out and we get x equal to a. Now y upon ab plus b square equal to 1 upon minus b minus a. Now again we will cross multiply, so y is equal to, and take b common from the numerator, so we get a plus b in bracket, and in denominator when we take negative as common we get a plus b. So a plus b will cancel out and we get y is equal to minus of b. And thank you so much. This is Vaibhav Upadhyay signing you off.